Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to be presenting this extended 3-bedroom family home in Rosebank Avenue, located at 0.3 miles from Scott's Primary School and 0.6 miles from Hornchurch Station. Please follow me in, let's have a look and see what it's all about. Downstairs compromises of an open plan living space, downstairs WC and a recently renovated kitchen with integrated oven, microwave and ceramic electric hob. This home has been extensively extended to the rear with a 4-metre extension and a double storey. Outside features a shed, artificial grass and a composite decked seating area. I'm sure we can agree it's the perfect family home. My name is Sam Brooks, we are Balgors. I look forward to speaking to you very soon.